Oh, hi. Cheers.
I've heard that you liked our new filter preset function and that you are already using it a lot. By a popular request, we've implemented similar logic to the aircraft filter, streamlining the changing of your working context even more. The standard order of things is to create a request for a flight and then book it to create an actual trip in Lyon. But from time to time it is needed to do things in the other way around. From now on, you can create quotes from trips already existing in Lyon. And last but not least, we've improved our function to track and acknowledge flight schedule changes. You can now acknowledge changes in our quick menu. And the status of acknowledgement for each flight is visible in the first column in the ops table view, and as a color of the left-hand side border in both the ops calendar and timeline.
And that's it. If you want to know more about our news, please check our release notes. If you want to learn more about Lyon, please check out our LinkedIn page or YouTube channel.